Hi, in front of me is CUBOT R15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply LED keyboard on this device. Start by opening Play Store and typing LED keyboard. Then download this app from this developer. Open it, click Get Started and tap OK. Then click on the switcher next to LED keyboard and tap OK again. Select Input Options and select LED keyboard one more time. Over here you can pick theme that you like the best. I will go with that one, so I have to click on it. Close on it and choose Download Theme. Now when I go back, I can see that my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!